Hi, Kevin again with FasTrax. We're here with John, his beautiful Buick. John, welcome. Tell me about your car.
68 Buick Riviera. Everything's pretty well original on it. That's the way I bought it.
Yeah.
And it's a great car.
What year did you buy it?
2013.
13? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's 8 years, 9
Yeah.
years. Yeah. Well, just take it to car shows.
Yeah.
Have a good time with it. And
Absolutely. So
Therefore-
what made you decide to buy this specific Riviera?
They were trying to sell this at an auction one time.
Yeah.
And they couldn't sell it, and a week later it was on Kijiji, and that's where we bought it off of
Okay.
Kijiji.
Okay. You always love this kind of car, this specific car? Or,
Yeah, no, that's it. I used to have a 67 Ford car. It was nice black color, red interior. It was actually really good condition, and then what happened? You get married, you have kids, gas gets a little expensive, you got to buy a cheaper car and you get rid of it.
Yep.
And then you wonder where it went.
And then you want another one back.
Yeah, and then you want it back.
Yeah. And then you buy a Riviera.
Yeah, yeah, no. Then you buy a Riviera, which is just as nice.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, we most of us go through those stages in our lives. I mean, we have our teenage years. We have the the money we just spend on cars. We have the passion. We buy them, and then all of a sudden life kicks in, and you can't have those toys anymore.
No, that's it. Eh? Those were good days too, when you had a nice car that was in good condition and you kept it for 10, 15 years.
Yeah,
which people normally don't do now. Eh?
Yeah,
so that's. And those cars were built to last. They lasted
absolutely.
for years, eh? So
and now you get the chance to do it again.
Yeah.
And that's what this is all about.
Yeah, no.
So what's it like driving this car?
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah?
Beautiful.
Drives well?
Don't worry about the bumps. Don't worry about the railway tracks. Just keep going.
Yeah?
You won't even feel the bumps.
Fantastic. And it drives well still for its age, which is great.
Yeah. No, it drives really nice. Yeah.
Very little maintenance?
Very little maintenance. Yeah, no. Surprising that motor, how quiet it runs when it's running. Even. That's what, 50 years old just about, and it runs really nice, eh?
Yeah. And all the suspension and exhaust, everything's all pretty well stock still? Yeah. All still running fine?
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, no, that's it.
Stood the test of time.
Yeah, no, that's it. No,
Show me a car less than 10 years to do that, right?
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
What drew you to this car specifically?
Yeah, probably the color of it and the way the back slopes.
Do you drive it daily or is it just a pleasure car?
No, just a pleasure car.
Pleasure car, like most of us. It's a pleasure car.
It doesn't see much rain. It doesn't see no rain at all.
I don't blame you.
I don't blame you. It's in the garage. That's it.
How many kilometers do you put on an average per year?
Maybe 200.
Yeah. So that's really a garage clean.
Yeah, that's it. No. It's just barely turning over 100,000 miles now.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's now broken in.
Yeah. No, that's it. No, it's broken in there.
Yeah.
No, it rides good, eh? Yeah.
Fantastic. So what's everything's pretty stocked. What's under the hood?
430.
Okay.
430, 4-barrel. She goes.
Yeah. Automatic or standard?
Automatic.
Automatic. Yeah. 4-speed?
No, this is in the column.
Okay. Yeah. Well, thank you so very much for talking about your car. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.